My name is Mariela Myers, and I'm a project lead in the IT department. Being a project lead means that we kind of oversee the different projects that we have here at IT and just kind of making sure that everything gets solved in a manner that helps Stuller do its business the way we want it done. I'm a people person and I'm stuck in IT, so I like to get out from my computer and go talk to people. I love going around and seeing everybody else's job and making their job easier. That's really my job, is to make their job easier, and that gives me a lot of satisfaction. My name's Mariela Myers, and I am Stuller.